Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Goku-san here, and today we're talking about making money online in 2025. The internet is bursting with opportunities, and I'm breaking down the top 10 ways to cash in now. No matter your skills or experience, there's a side hustle out there for you. First up, freelancing. Are you a master wordsmith, a design ninja, a coding wizard, or a video editing pro? Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect freelancers with clients worldwide. You set your rates, choose your projects, and work from anywhere. Imagine being your own boss and getting paid what you're worth. That's the power of freelancing, baby. Let's talk about selling digital products. Ever thought about writing an ebook, creating templates, snapping stock photos, or sharing knowledge in an online course? Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, Teachable, and Udemy make it easy to sell your expertise. We're talking passive income, people. Create it once and it can make you money for years. Imagine waking up to sales notifications in your pajamas. Let's dive into the world of affiliate marketing. Do you have a website, blog, or social media following? Join programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. Find products that resonate with your audience and share your unique affiliate link. Every time someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. All right, you creative geniuses, this one's for you. YouTube and video content creation are where it's at. Love making videos? Share your passions, humor, knowledge, whatever makes you tick. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Reels are your stage. Build a loyal following and the money will follow. We're talking ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, endless possibilities. Ever dreamed of running your own online store without the hassle of inventory? Then dropshipping is your jam. With platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and AliExpress, you can set up your dream store in a flash. Find products from suppliers, list them on your site, and when someone orders, the supplier ships directly to the customer. Calling all designers and creative minds, print on demand is your ticket to selling awesome merch without lifting a finger. Platforms like Printful, Redbubble, and Teespring let you upload your designs to t-shirts, mugs, and more. They handle the printing, shipping, and customer service while you rake in the profits. Do you have a way with words? Are you passionate about a topic? Start a blog. Share your thoughts, expertise, and stories. Platforms like Medium, WordPress, and Substack make it simple to get started. Monetize your blog with ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or sell your own products and services. Are you a master of your craft? Do you have valuable skills to share? Become an online coach or create digital courses. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Kajabi make it easy to package your knowledge and deliver it worldwide. Help people achieve their goals, transform their lives, and get paid for your expertise. Want to ditch the daily grind and work from anywhere? Remote jobs and virtual assistants are the answer. Companies are hiring for remote positions, from virtual assistants to web developers. Platforms like People Per Hour, Remote.co, and FlexJobs connect you with remote opportunities. Imagine working from a beach in Bali or a cozy cafe in Paris. Alright, risk takers and thrill seekers, this one's for you. The stock market and cryptocurrency trading offer potential for massive returns, but it comes with significant risk. Platforms like Binance, Robinhood, and eToro provide access to these markets. Do your research, start small, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Always consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. There you have it, folks. The top 10 ways to make money online in 2025. Whether you're a creative soul, a tech whiz, or an entrepreneur, there's a side hustle calling your name. The internet has leveled the playing field, giving everyone the chance to build a successful online business. So, what are you waiting for? Choose your path, take action, and watch the money roll in. Until next time, stay awesome, stay hungry, and keep hustling.